Hi, I'm Paul, your helpful locksmith. Now, chances are, if you're watching this video, you've just been searching for Ultion lock. Well, that's great news for you because it's exactly what we're going to be reviewing in this video.
So this is the British Standard 3-star TS007 and Sold Secure Diamond Standard Ultion lock. With the lock taken apart, we can see how it is built to withstand all four methods of attack. That's pick, drill, bump and snapping. So first we can see here the anti-pick pin. Picking is not a method commonly used by burglars, but it is good to know it's there anyway. There are 6 anti-drill bars built into the body of the Ultion. And there are further 12 anti-drill points in the Ultion's plug and 2 anti-drill crescents, meaning the Ultion has an impressive 20 Ultion drill points. The Ultion combines an anti-bump pin along with different weighted springs to stop someone from using a bump key to open the lock. But the most common way in West Yorkshire, certainly for people forcing entry, accounting for around 25% of burglaries and attempted burglaries, is snapping. The Ultion cylinder has 2 sacrificial points on the lock. It also has lockdown mode, which is a firing pin built into the Ultion's molybdenum core, and under attack fires into the cam, preventing the cam from being turned. And that's why this lock comes with a £1,000 manufacturer's guarantee, that if somebody snaps this lock, the manufacturer will give you £1,000.
Well, that brings us to the end of the review of the Ultion lock. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found this useful. If you have and you'd like to learn more, visit helplocks.com, or you can follow us at helplocks on Twitter and Facebook. Or if you're watching this on YouTube, click the subscribe button. There's lots more videos around these products and other products as well. If you're West Yorkshire based and you would like to have the Ultion lock installed on your property, do give us a call on 0800 002 5258. We'd be more than happy to help, and we look forward to speaking to you soon. Thank you.